Welcome to another Achieving Science video. This video is all about controlling our blood glucose. Glucose is a very important raw material. It is the raw material for respiration. Glucose is soluble and therefore transported around our body via the bloodstream. It needs to be kept at a normal level, and therefore the maintenance of this blood glucose is part of homeostasis. The blood glucose levels are monitored and controlled by an organ called the pancreas. The pancreas is an organ that is located just above the kidneys and is leaf-like in its structure. This very important hormone called insulin is produced by the pancreas, and dependent upon the blood glucose levels, the amount of insulin in our blood is controlled by our pancreas. So first of all, if we look at controlling our blood glucose levels when we've just eaten a meal. After eating a meal, our body will detect the change in our blood glucose level. More importantly, this will be done by the pancreas. So first step one, the pancreas detects this change, this increase in blood glucose level. Its response will be to produce insulin. Insulin being a hormone which is also transported in our bloodstream. The insulin will arrive at the liver. The liver will cause this excess glucose that we do not need in our body at the moment to be converted into an insoluble store of glycogen ready for later use when our body requires it. On the other hand, if the blood glucose level gets too low, maybe after you've done a lot of exercise, then insulin is now not added to your bloodstream by your pancreas. Instead, the glucose that is inside your liver, which is being stored as glycogen, is converted. It is converted by the pancreas releasing a new hormone called glycogen. This causes those insoluble stores of glycogen to be converted back to glucose. Glucose can then dissolve within the bloodstream and be transported around the body, and our normal levels are reinstated.